In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Calendar private. This is a great way to ensure that all your personal events and schedules remain confidential and visible only to you. So let's get started. First, open Google Calendar on your desktop. Once you're on the main page, focus your attention on the left side of the screen where it says My Calendars. This is where you'll find all the calendars associated with your account. Hover your mouse over the specific calendar you want to make private. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear to the right of the calendar's name. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This brings up a menu where you'll see the option Settings and Sharing. Click on that option to proceed. You'll now be directed to the settings page for your selected calendar. Here, you'll want to scroll down until you locate Access Permissions for Events. It's essential to pay close attention to this section, as it's where you control who can see your calendar. You'll likely see a couple of boxes with options that say Make Available to Public or Make Available for Organization. Especially if you're using a workspace or school account, these options are typically checked by default to share calendar information externally. What you'll need to do is uncheck both of these boxes. By doing this, you're basically telling Google that you don't want your calendar to be viewable by anyone else besides yourself. If you had these boxes checked before, they allowed either the general public or people within your organization to view your calendar's events depending on which option was enabled. Unchecking them effectively locks down your calendar, making it completely private. From this point forward, only you will be able to see the calendar and its events. And there you have it. Your calendar is now entirely private. It's a straightforward process, but one that brings quite a lot of peace of mind knowing that your schedule is safe from any prying eyes. Remember, keeping your calendar private is an excellent way to maintain your privacy, especially if you manage sensitive or personal information. If you ever need to change these settings back, simply repeat the steps and check the boxes you previously unchecked. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider checking out some of our other tutorials to make the most of your digital tools. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your personal